Good morning, dear students. I am Vipin Kumar. After a long break, we are meet together. So now we are going to start our studies again, once again. So I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. In half-yearly exam, you perform very good. Some students perform mind blowing. As you know that before the half-yearly exam, we are going started our chapter 4th decimals, okay, and two exercises already completed, 4.1 and 4.2, okay. So now 4.3 is begin. Now we are going to start our exercise 4.3, okay. So the first question of exercise 4.3 chapter 4th decimal, okay. The first question, find the quotient. So as you know that in the multiplication, when we will multiply by a decimal number by 10,000 and 100, then point decimal place is removed in right hand side place, okay. As you know that when a decimal number, suppose 14.28 multiplied by 10, so 10 is there. When multiplication is there, then our point is removed in RHS, right hand side. As the final answer is 142.8, as like this, okay. So this is our multiplication rule. This is rule in multiplication, okay. So now the division is there and we have to find the quotient. When the decimal number is divided by 10,000 or 100, no, then the decimal place is removed in left hand side. And the decimal place is removed in left hand side. How many zeros are there? That is removed that place. Okay. So just see, only 10. 1 0 is there, so decimal place is removed here. The answer is 11.43. Our decimal is removed here, so the answer is 11.43. Next, tell me the second answer. 1 0 is there, so decimal is removed here, and 0.978 is your answer. Okay. So the next, 10 is there only one place, so the decimal is removed left hand side here. The answer is 12.1004. Next, see, one place is there, so decimal is removed here. The answer is 0.05. Now divide by 100. So same as 2 zeros are there, the decimal is removed 2 points. So decimal is here. So answer is 8.265. Okay. So the next also 100. So decimal is removed 2 place left hand side. 1.0906. Okay. Again 2 place decimal is removed 2 point. 0.1550. And the last 100, so decimal is removed 2 points, so 1 is there and 1 here. Afterwards you just put 0.0046. Only 1 0 is here, no? Only 1 0 is here, so we will put one more 0 afterwards point. Okay. So now 1000, so 3 places, then the answer is 1.46220. Next, here also 3 places, but number 2 only here. So just put the 0.02585. Okay. So the next 1000 is there, but place is point. Number is only 1. So just put 2 zeros. Okay. So answer is 0.00509. So next, 3 zeros is there, but only 1 zero is there. So just put two zeros before this 0. 208, 0.00208. So this is the way to find out the quotient with the division by 100, 10 and 1000. Okay. So take the screenshot and write in your notebook as it is. Okay, students. So the next second question, solve the following. It means we have to make the division of the numbers. Like that, we have to make the multiplication. Like only we have to make the division of the numbers and afterwards place the decimal. Okay. So the first is 14.8 divided by 2. It means 148 divided by 2. Then 2 7 ja 14. Then 8 is here. 2 4 ja 8. Okay. So the answer is 74. But after the 1 digit point is there, just after the 1 digit just put the point. The answer is 7.4. Like this, the second one, 108 divided by 108. Then 108 divided by 108, one time only 108. So the answer is 1. But There is one number after the one number decimal is there, so one number just put the decimal. The answer is 0.1. Okay. The next C1, 242.90 divided by 14. So then 24290 divided by 14. 14 1 ja 14, 14 2 ja 28. One time only. Then 14, 0 and 1. Afterwards 2. 14 1 ja 14, 14 2 ja 28. 14 3 ja 72. 14 4 ja 96. 56. 14 5 ja 70. I think so. And 14 6 ja 14 6 ja 6 4 ja 24, carry to 84. And 14 7 ja 7 28 98. Afterwards 14 8 ja then more ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, तो 1 afterwards 7 time number is 98. Subtract 12 minus 8, then 4 afterwards, then you remove this question. 12 minus 8, then 4 afterwards 0. Only 4 is there, so then next number is 9. So 14 4 ja 76. 14 5 ja 14 2 ja 28. 14 3 ja 42. 14 4 ja 76. 56. Then more than 3 times. Afterwards 14 3 ja 42. Then 7 and 0, and then last 5 times 70. So the answer is 1735 is your answer. But after the decimal there is 2 numbers, so after just leave 2 number and put the decimal place 1 2. From right hand side you have to leave the 2 numbers 1 2 and decimal is here. So the answer is 17.35. Okay, so this is the way to solve this type of question. So take the screenshot and write in a notebook. Next the D1 also same, like 85.44 divided by 4. Then 8544 divided by 4. 4 2 ja 8. 5 4 1 ja 4. 4 3 ja 12. 4 6 ja 24. The answer is 2136. But just see, after the decimal there is 2 numbers, 2 digits. So from right hand side you just remove 2 place 1 2 and put the decimal. So the final answer is 21.36. You have to write the divide also. Afterwards write the answer. Okay. So take the screenshot. You have to write the divide also in the notebook. Okay, student. So the next third question, divide the following decimal number. The second question is also divide the following decimal number, but just remember one thing, in the second question only the numerator having the decimal number, but in the third question both numerator and denominator both having the decimal number. So you first, the thing is there, you just remove the point from the denominator. Okay, so like this 0.18 divided by 0.3. After one place you just place the point. If one place we will place point here, then here also we will place the point here. The answer here is 1.8 is there, and there is 3.0, and 3.0 means only 3. Now this is like question number second. अभी ये question number second जैसा हो गया. Simply make the divide. Simply divide 18 divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18. 6 times. How much time? 6 times. But after the one place point is there, so just put point here and 0. The final answer is 0.6. So your answer is 0.6. Okay, so like this, the second one also is like this. See, 61.68 divided by 1.2. Just remove one place here, and here also remove one place here. So 616.8 divided by 12.0. So 12.0 means only 12 is there. So now this is like question number second. So make the division. So 6 and 6168 divided by 12. 12 5 plus 60. Okay, 1 6, 12 1 ja 12, 4 8, 12 4 ja 48. Okay, so the answer is 514. But one after the one place the decimal is there, so the one place you just put the decimal. 51.4 is your answer. Okay, so like this only, C and D is only like this. So 4.1382 divided by 3.42. Just see one place here, one place here. Okay, so afterwards 1.382, then here 4.2, again one place here, one place here. So the last answer is 413.82 upon 342. So this is your homework. You just make the divide 41382 divided by 342. Then you got your question now. Then after two place you just put the decimal. Okay, so this is the way to solve. This is your homework. You have to make the divide. Okay, and write the answer. Like this only 85.5408 upon 17.04. The one place, then point remove here and point will be here. The answer is 855.04408, sorry, and 170.4. Again one place here. Finally is 8554.08 and 1704. This is also your homework. You have to make the division of both of the number, and then after two digit you just put the point. तो डिवाइड आपको देना है दोनों में होमवर्क में, और आपको क्या करना है उसके बाद दो छोड़ के पॉइंट, इसमें एक छोड़ के पॉइंट, सॉरी इसमें भी दो छोड़ के पॉइंट लगाना है, इसमें भी दो छोड़ के पॉइंट लगाना है. ओके, सो दिस इज द वे टू सॉल्व both decimal number, numerator number and denominator, both the decimals are there, then this is the way to solve the question. Okay, so take the screenshot. These two already I solved, and these two is your homework. Make the divide only, after put the decimal after two place, because two number is here and here also two number. Okay, take the screenshot. Okay student, so the next fourth question is the weight of 15 bricks. The weight of 15 bricks is 2.5 kg. Find the weight of one brick. So in that question we have to make the divide. How we know that the divide or multiply? So there just remember one thing. If in any question there is talking about one number or one brick or one thing, only one number is there, each or one or like this, then you have to make the divide. Okay, and if they are telling about 10 numbers, 20 numbers, any numbers more than one, then you have to make the multiply. But the question is asking about one brick, here also each piece, then both question is belong to the division. Okay, so we know that number of bricks is 15, and the weight of bricks. So the weight of one brick, so directly you can write weight of one brick is equals to 225 divided by 15. So the answer is 225 divided by 15. 225 divided by 15, then 1 time 15, afterwards 775. Okay, so the answer is 15 kg. But after the one place point is there, so the answer is 1.5 kg. Okay, next second one, a ribbon is 0.8 meter long, is cut into two equal parts. What is the length of each piece? So the length of each piece equals to 0.8 divided by 2. So the answer 8 divided by 2 is meant 4 is there. So but one place point is there. The answer is 0.4 centimeter meter. So this is your answer. Okay. So take the screenshot and write in the notebook. Okay, students. So the next question is there. A pizza cost is 325.75. 5 children share the cost equally. How much will each child share have to pay for his or her share, मतलब जो है एक पिज्जा की टोटल कॉस्ट आपको दी हुई है 325.75 और 5 बच्चे उसको शेयरिंग करते हैं तो उसके हिस्से में मतलब ईच के हिस्से में कितना कितना शेयर आएगा. ओके, सो वी नो दैट टोटल कॉस्ट how much 325.75 and the number of children is equals to 5. So each share of each child is, as you know that each child, so it means divide the 325.75 divided by 5. So make the division 32575 5 times 6 times then 30 2 5 times 25 afterwards 7 1 time again 5 times. So answer is 6515 rupees 6515, but after there is two number the point is there, so just put the two number after decimal the point, so that each child got rupees 65.15. ओके, हर एक बच्चे को इसके में इतने इतने पैसे आएंगे. एंड द लास्ट टू क्वेश्चन जस्ट सी 7th and 8th is your homework. It is too much simple like this only. The weight of 12 initial slice is of cheese is 246 ग्राम, मतलब 12 स्लाइस का जो वेट है वो कितना है 246 ग्राम है. व्हाट इज द वेट ऑफ ईच स्लाइस? You have to find the weight of each slice. It means you have to make the divide. So 246 divided by 12, then you got your answer. Okay. So next, the 8th also, the cost of 26 bottles is same time is 783.60. 26 बॉटल की जो कॉस्ट है वो कितनी है 783.60. Find the cost of each bottle. Each bottle. It means you have to make again the divide. Then 783.60 divided by 24. Then you got your answer. Okay. So exercise 4.3 is based on the division of the decimal. Decimal की division को बेस थी 6 तक मैंने करवा दिया, बाकी rest 2 7 and 8 is your homework. Like this only you have to make the divide. Okay, so now exercise 4.3 is completed. In next class we are started exercise 4.4. Okay, so take the screenshot and write it in notebook. Thank you. And if you have any doubt then you can ask.